Good students, today we will study about trigonometrical ratios of complementary, supplementary, reflexive and complete angles. Here first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and here fourth quadrant. Okay. In this case, we see that complementary angle how change in the ratio form when subtract theta and add theta in complementary angle. Okay, student? Here sin 90 minus theta change into cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta change into cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta change sin theta. Before it's I have taught you in serial number 13. Here cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta change into sec theta. So these types of complementary angle change in the ratio. Here when we move from 90 plus, then we belong to second quadrant. In first quadrant change, but all are in positive form. Okay. Here when we belong 90 plus theta means belong in second quadrant. Then rule are part according to second rule on this ratio during the 90 when 90 plus theta, sin 90 plus theta, cos theta. In this case, this is found in positive form because silver in this case sin and cosec, the value of sin and cosec is always positive form. Then change, but it is found in positive form. And here cosec is also found positive form, but all are in negative. But this and this are found in positive form. Okay, students? Here cot 90 plus theta minus tan theta, sec 90 plus theta minus cosec theta plus cosec 90 plus theta plus sec theta. So these types of ratio change, but sign are fixed, positive. There is no change in the sign, only change ratio. Sin cos, cos sin, tan cot, cot tan, sec cosec and cosec into sec in this form, but sign is not change, it is fixed. Okay, student? After this, here (180° when sin 180° value, 180° plus theta, no change, but sin is found positive case. Here cos 180° plus theta found cos theta, and tan 180° plus theta is equal to tan theta and cot 180 degree plus theta is equal to cot theta. Here sec 180 degree plus theta is equal to sec theta, and here cosec 180 degree plus theta is equal to cosec theta. It is cosec and sine value is positive and other are found in negative. Okay student, these types here not positive, it is found in negative form, negative, and here also negative. In negative form, then we belong in second quadrant. If 180 plus theta, then we belong in third quadrant. Here it is first, it is second quadrant. We belong when 180 minus theta, then we belong in second quadrant. And when 180 plus theta, when 1 plus 180 plus theta, then we belong in third quadrant. Then sine is also right according to third quadrant. Here sine 180 plus theta, sine is here ratio is not change in 180 minus theta and 180 plus theta, ratio is not change. Okay student, here sine 180 plus theta, sine theta, cos 180 plus theta, cos theta, tan cot 180 plus theta, cot theta, sec 180 plus theta, sec theta, cosec 180 theta, cosec theta. But sine are fixed according to this. There is no change in sine. Here tan cot are positive and other are found in negative. Okay student, after this sine 270 degree minus theta, then according to the sine change, ratio change, cos theta and cos 270 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta, and tan 270 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Here cot 270 degree minus theta is equal to cot tan theta, and sec 270 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 270 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. But here fixed, sine is fixed. Here cot, here tan plus, here and other are minus, and other are minus. Okay student, this is very important portion. And when we write sine 90 degree, sine 270 degree plus theta, cos theta, cos 270 degree plus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 270 degree plus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay student, and here cot 270 degree plus theta is equal to tan theta, and sec 270 degree plus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 270 degree plus theta is equal to sec theta. But here cos and cosec value, cos and sec value is positive. Here cos and sec value is positive and other are found in negative. Okay student, these types of ratios are right in this form. In this case, sin 270 plus minus theta, the functions of ratio change, but 180 degree plus minus theta, the function of ratio is not changed, but 90 plus minus theta, functions ratio is changed. Okay student, and 360 degree plus minus theta, the ratio of function is not changed, only sin is right according to the fourth quadrant. Okay student, next part I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.